G'day everyone, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. Look, this video is a bit hard to make. So basically I'll just get stuck into it. For the last 3-4 weeks actually, I did a renovation on my front tiff tuff. It's come back magnificently. It's looked great and everything. And I had a whole big production of what I was doing. And if you remember last week's video on the Yucca, at the front of it, there's a bit of that video that I did show, so to say that this video was coming this week. So, in a nutshell, I worked so hard on this video, and lots of different camera techniques and lots of different editing techniques. On Australia Day, I was, took some vision and, my final bit of vision and was editing everything, and spent the whole Saturday editing as well. And it was all coming together really nicely. And then this little thing comes up on my computer saying I've got no storage on my drive. So I had to deal with that, and cut another long story short, when I went to make some room for that, I accidentally removed all the files, absolutely everything, bar a couple of frames of the vision of my video. So that video is now gone. That's, a month's worth of work basically. And it was about 15 minutes long. It was going to be great, and it was one of my best videos that I've been producing, and I lost a lot. Totally, and there's no way of getting it back. It was, honestly, a couple of flicks of the mouse. I was getting rid of some old stuff, and somehow all the files that I had on working on the new stuff was part of that, and it just disappeared. So, yeah, really frustrating. You might remember last week's video of the Yucca. That was when I wanted to release the video, just showing like 2 weeks worth of recovery, because it was going really, really well. But there was an extremely hot day here, and my capture card refused to work, so I couldn't do inside shots of my studio that I wanted to do to speak about what I was doing. And also, on top of that, the computer just didn't like the heat. So there was all that happening at that time. And so that's why last week you got the Yucca video. I just said to my wife, I said, I'm not going to get this done in time. Nothing's working. Let's quickly go out and do an overview of the Yucca. So that's why you got that video last week. So I know a lot of people were really waiting on the video of the renovation of my tiff tuff, and it's just turned out so lovely. It's, it was something that I really invested a lot of time into. And, 11 o'clock last night when I realized I lost the lot, I wasn't happy. And I just quickly went for a drive because I just needed to scream in the car. I was really, really upset, but, I'm over that now. And I certainly don't want to bring you down by giving you this video. I just want to apologise. It was a complete accident, so I totally apologise for not getting the planned video out this weekend. Moving forward, I will make sure that I've got better data management skills and make sure that I still bring you good content, because it's really important to me that I continue to make good content. So yeah, I really apologise for not doing the video, and I don't know where I'm going to go from here video wise, but I'll certainly work something out, and we'll see you next week. Get your lawn on. See you later, and thanks for understanding.